Hey everyone, set out all your cars. This is our 2013 Volvo C30. This one is a 1.6 D2 and it's the R Design Lux model. It's done 70,000 miles, it's got 11 services, really nice spec, very good condition, and it is one of the last of this model. Rides on the 17-inch graphite grey R Design wheels. It's got uniroyal tyres all round. Absolutely stunning to look at. It's finished in passion red with the off black R Design interior. It's got rear parking sensors. Super clean and tidy. Being the Lux model, it's got the RTI nav, heated seats, cruise control, powerful mirrors, high performance sound, Bluetooth telephone and audio. Wicked little car. Inside, all very nice and clean. Boot is impeccable. We do have the load cover for it. No spare with this one, just the inflatable kit. Inside, as I've already mentioned, it's got the off-black R Design interior, which in my opinion is a bit nicer than the cream and black. All in very nice condition. I'll just show you the bolsters a bit closer, because this panel here, very common for splitting, and you can see there's just that tiny split there. Other than that, it's perfect. The rear seats are as new. Obviously they're only a 4-seater. You do have the Isofix and the armrest in the back there. Again, door cards are all really good. Got your side and back protection system. As I already mentioned, folding mirrors. Got your auto lights and wipers when in auto. So that function, you get the fog lights as your DRLs. The mileage is 70716. I'll just start the car for you before we run through the other features. So as you see there, starts without fault. Other than the fuel light, there are no warnings, no messages as you can see there. Got your cruise control and your audio functions just there. Your navigation up the top, which is controlled via the steering wheel or the remote control, which we do have somewhere. We've got AM FM radio with CD. I think it goes too fast for me, this does. CD, auxiliary, USB and Bluetooth audio. So you can stream your music off your phone. Standard Bluetooth telephone. And hopefully you'll see high performance sound. Got your dual climate control with your heated seats. 6-speed gearbox in the D2. In the normal 1.6D Drive Ease, there's only 5-speed gearbox. Cup holders, all very nice. All of the trims in good condition. This trim's still here and in good condition, missing on a lot of C30s. Auxiliary and USB in the armrest. And that is about it. Got to be one of the best on the market at the moment. Give us a call, 01509 2608 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.